To link a certain type of account to a Robinhood account, two methods can be used. The first method involves using a specific debit card associated with the account. To do this, open the Robinhood app, click on the Accounts option. Then click on the three-line menu at the top of the screen. From this menu, select Transfers, then scroll down to find the Linked Accounts section and click on the Add Account button. Select the debit card option and enter the debit card details. Then click Continue. This will link the debit card to the Robinhood account, allowing for instant transfers. However, note that while deposits are free, there may be a 1.5% fee for transfers to a debit card. Alternatively, funds can be transferred from the account to a traditional bank account, and then to the Robinhood account. To do this, open the Account app, click on the Balance, then click on the Transfer button and select Transfer Money. Enter the amount to be transferred, choose the transfer speed, and select the bank account to receive the funds. Once the money has been transferred to the bank account, open the Robinhood app, click on Buying Power, then select Deposit Funds and enter the amount to be deposited. Select the same bank account used to transfer the money from the original account, or link the bank account by clicking on the Add Account button. Enter the amount, review, and then click Transfer. This will transfer the money from the account to the Robinhood account.